here I am with a screen protector install video for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, so let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So people always ask me in the comments, Michael, have you a screen protector on your phone when I'm reviewing cases? And I always say, no, I don't. And then people judge me. What's that about? So I figured, you know what? I'm going to need to put a screen protector on this Pixel. So I picked up a double pack of Easy Fit glass screen protectors from Spigen. So yeah, let's do this. So I have been using my Pixel 9 Pro XL with the thin-born case. As you can see, I have no screen protector on it whatsoever. And it's got wee bits of dust and fluff and blah, 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 whatever on it. So I am going to do a full install here, and I'm not even going to use the instructions. I'm going to just do it myself. So let's just open these up. Now I do like the Spigen screen protectors. Now this is really cool because you get two with them. So if you do screw up one or if you break one, you've always got a spare, which is great. So on the back of the box, there's actually an install video guide if you are that way inclined and you want to do that, but I'm not going to do that because I'm a maverick. And then we've also got instructions on the inside as well. So yeah, but that's cheating. So we're not going to use these. Quite like the wee tool. Quite like that. That's a good job. It's been a while since I bought a screen protector, so I haven't seen that wee tool before, so that's pretty cool. And then in the box, we have our usual. So we've got our dust removal stickers, we've got our alcohol wipe for cleaning. So yeah, pretty straightforward. And we've got a little microfiber cloth. Now I did bring my own, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to just use the one that came with it. So, well, it's fine. We'll just leave that there. Actually, what I will do, I'm going to use this to set my phone on. Yeah. Right, so we'll do that. And then we'll just pop this thin-born case out. So like I say, I'm using this thin-born case, so if you want to see the review for this, you can check out the link to the playlist in the description down below. You can see the review for this case. It's very, very good. Hashtag spoiler. Don't know why I'm wiping the back. So let's see. So what I'm actually going to do first is I'm going to turn the phone off completely so that you can see it being applied and whatnot. And I think it's the best way to try and maybe rule out any air bubbles. Step one, just if you've any marks on your screen, just use the little microfiber cloth, take in fingerprints and that kind of thing off. That is straightforward enough. And then step two, so you want to get this, you want to do this right and quickly. At least I'm going to do this quickly because like I say, I'm sort of outside here, so I can get a lot of dust and stuff, so I want to try and be quick with this. So I'll keep the screen protector close by. So I'll just take the big dust removal sticker and you just tap it on the display like so, and that'll just get up any of the loose bits of dust and fluff and things that sort of land down on the display. Right, and then you take your screen protector and you peel off this back part here like so. So we'll just do that, and then we'll just pop the phone in there like so. Pop the phone in and we just press and slide and we'll be at 30 seconds. So it says remove from here, so you pull this little tab up like that. And then we lift this up. And important, re-register after installing your screen protector. You must re-register your fingerprint. Ooh, well, that's good to know. Okay, and then we just peel the film off the front. And then if you have any air bubbles like I have here, and you just take your little tool and you just rub that air bubble out like so. So this has like a microfiber coating as well, so that's good to see. And if you just give that a little rub like so, there you go. And look, I'm buzzing. Look, there's no dust, no air bubbles in below there. Perfect. Application has been perfect. It does say on the screen protector there to re-register your fingerprint, so we're just going to try that and make sure that works. So, okay. Yeah, fingerprint not recognized. Oh, well, I recognized it that time. So what we'll do, okay. Well, it is actually recognizing it. It is a bit slower now with the screen protector on. So I think what I will do, I'll just re-register these fingerprints with the screen protector on, and we'll see if it makes any difference. So we'll add. Okay, we'll just add the other thumb then. It is noticeably slower with the screen protector on. Yeah. So the first two fingerprints are my thumbs, which I have registered without the screen protector, and then 3 and 4 are with the screen protector. So let's just try that now. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's a lot better. Awesome. And then I'll just pop my thin-born case back on. So this is my ultra thin case that I'm currently using. And then there it is with the screen protector on. So you can see there, it still looks 100%. You've very, very minimal lip on these cases anyway, because they're so thin and minimal, but you've got that extra bit of protection now with that screen protector, and yeah, that's really good. Really good. I'm happy with that. What do you guys think of the Spigen screen protector for the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I'll leave you affiliate links to where I picked up these screen protectors on Amazon. I got a really good deal for a 2-pack, so definitely I would recommend. So if you do mess one up or if you break one, you've got a spare, which is really good. So yeah, absolutely, I would highly recommend. The application of these has always been so good, and it's also got that elophobic coating on it as well, which gets rid of like water and stuff. If you get water on your display, it'll just fall off. It's really, really good. So no, top notch. I'm really happy with that, and yeah, that's a must-have pickup for your Pixel 9 Pro XL. For sure. So that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more Pixel 9 Pro XL content coming, so stay tuned. And if you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.